loves, this is Clara. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you what's inside the cloth and paper subscription box for the month of April. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. So let's open the box. So usually when you open the box, you'll see the what's inside card. So there you go. So it says here that you'll be getting a home refresh and renovation inserts, dashboards, accessories, and journaling cards. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So I think this time they put on specifically what you're getting, like the pictures of what you're getting inside the box. So we're getting these dashboards. This is so pretty. I'm so excited to see it. And then the home refresh and renovation inserts. Then we've got another 2 dashboards. Oh my gosh, these journaling cards are so nice. Then we have the calendars, and then we have some page flags. Have a sticky note. Oh, we got a notepad and then a pen. So let's do this. So what I'll do is, let me open it. There you go. Wow. So it says here, I learned a long time ago, the wisest thing I can do is be on my own side. This is so nice. So the inserts that I got are on personal size. So this would be the paint texture dashboard. I'm sorry for the reflection if you're seeing my camera. There you go, and here's the back. Okay, so here's the Angora. I hope. There you go. This is the RO sticky notes. It's matte, 25 sheets in the color Angora. Okay. So we have this page flags, 50 sheets, a transparent one in the color Cortado. And I guess this is the Angora grid notepad. So there you go. I hope it focuses. There you go. Oh, this is the erasable gel pen. Then we also got these dashboard, Elysian. It says beautiful or creative, divinely inspired, peaceful, and perfect. It's so nice. Maybe what I'll do is put these two together, which is so nice. So excited. Okay, so this is the other dashboard, the home infographic dashboard. Oh, this is so pretty. I love this one. There's also tips to decorate your space. This is perfect for my home section of my planner. This is so cute. So self-cultivation. The gradual process of acquiring knowledge, the effort of developing one's physical and mental capabilities. This is so nice. And then we have this inserts, the home refresh or renovation inserts. So you can put your to-dos and then the supply that you need and some notes for your home refresh. I don't know if I'm gonna use this one, but I'll keep it for now. So there you go. It's in personal size. And last are my favorite, the journaling cards. So let me open it. So we have these calendar. So you always get this kind of journaling cards every subscription box every month. So this is the matte card and this is the transparent one. This is so cute. And then this is so nice. It says here, to make living itself an art, that is the goal. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I can't wait to use it in my planner. And it says, and now after everything you will not cave in. You are rising from the ashes. You are starting again. Well, I think I love this box, but it's like I don't want to expect too much from it every month, so I'll get excited. I mean, the one thing that's new in this box is like you'll see these pictures, like, so you would know what you are getting in the box, like you know what to expect. Like before opening it, you'll see this right away. So the what's inside card right now, what changed is that at the back page you would see the actual picture of the products that you'll be getting for the month, so which is a good idea. So let's do a recap of what I got. So it says here that we got the 4 dashboards. So we'll start with the home infographic dashboard. And then we also got the self-cultivation dashboard. We got the paint texture dashboard. We also got the Elysian dashboard. So these are the 4 dashboards that you'll be getting in your April subscription box. And then you'll also be getting the home refresh and renovation inserts, which has the to-do, the supply list, and notes. And then you'll be also getting an Angora grid notepad. So in this box, you'll be getting 2 stickies. Like one is the sticky notes and the other one is page flag, one in Angora and the other one is Cortado. You'll be also getting an erasable gel pen. So even though this is not a penspiration box, you'll be getting this pen. And then my favorite would be the journaling cards. So these 2 are my ultimate favorite. And then your calendar. So these are the ones that you'll be getting in your April subscription box. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to their subscription box, I will put the link in the description box below so that you know where to go. And so just to give you an idea, I purchased mine like for 3 subscriptions for $100, so it's like $33.33 per month. So if you'll be getting these whatever is on your box individually, this will be more expensive, like getting them one by one instead of getting the subscription. So you get the value of it, like you'll get the value of your money. So it's better to get the subscription, so you'll be saving a lot of money. If you want your planner to have new inserts every month, like you want to refresh it and see, you know, what's good for the month, then you know it's better for you to get the subscription from them. So I'll put everything in the subscription box below. And guys, if you have any suggestions or comments, please leave a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. And thank you guys for watching. See you soon.